Imagine how wonky you got it, and imagine how wonky it feels as you cascade that down the organization to the lowest level. I want you to be overly expressive. I want you to be super quiet. I want you to be all you in the way that you like to express your you-ness. Is you're gonna be overly joyful, happy at a ridiculous level, like that, go. He says 3 things live in the gap. Who are you communicating with? How are you collaborating? And who are you connected to? And that's how we're gonna close the gap between what you know individually and what the world knows collectively. So I guess my challenge to you is a couple of things. First of all, you're gonna go out and meet people where they are, but potentially you're gonna have to meet different people, because that's your social capital. And I'm wondering if maybe we wouldn't be better served if we talked about the things that are more alike than the things that are different. You're gonna have to be intentional about who you're communicating with, who you're connected to, and how you collaborate, because collectively, everyone knows more than you do individually, and you're gonna have to work to close that gap.